Reu finally, after a very long wait, Baby June's face has finally been revealed. Kairitu ka Bishop Kiengei na Mama Asen Reverend Joy Kiengei kana makorwo magitanahirwo nako sometime last year kana gakorwo gakionio wendo wa mwanya muno ona nginya uria gakorwo gakigirwo thibitari. She was now being taken home after her joining this world. Ni gakorwo gakigirwo na njira ya mwanya muno in a very big limousine na gagikorwo gakwamukirwo na gikeno kinene muno nginya ni mafans na a Kenya. Now ever since then, Baby June has never been shown to the public. She has never been revealed. Ona nginya mbica ona imwe yako gutiri kare gakorwo gakionanio nenda-ini. But now officially Mama June herself magikungwira guciarwo kwa Baby June, her first birthday, she just turned 1. Mama June yarikiete kurekereria mbica full cia Baby June. For the very first time she has shared Baby June no bero tukirora ndeto igikungwirwo muno igie Samido. Samido has greatly been celebrated, and this after a few days ago gukorwo akigraduate kuma cukuru wa JKUAT as he acquires a degree in Bachelor of Business Information Technology neo BBIT. Na Samido agikiuga it was such an honor for him gukorwo akiachieve undu araturite endete gukorwo akiachieve, na ona nginya alia on iria aragithomaga anakorwo akiumbura. In as much as he has money, in as much as he has made it in terms of music and career, githomo ni kindu gia bata muno na ni kindu araturite endete kwigwatira, na finally it happened. Samido akigraduate na a big congratulations to him, na a Kenya ni mamukungwira na njira ya mwanya muno. And now back to Baby June. Mama Asen yarikite kuingira nenda-ini yake na kurekereria mbica na video ya mwanya muno akionania Baby June for the very first time na uria marakorwo magakungwira on her birthday, her special day, na a Kenya matigo mahotetwo muno ni uthaka wa kana gaka. This is Baby June finally. Gaka niko kairitu ka Mama Asen na mutheki ngi kana makorwo magitanahirwo na kwania ago o makirekereria ndomiriri cia mwanya muno. Mama Asen akiuga happy birthday my doll, I'm happy you had a blast, mommy loves you. Na ona Kiengei akiuga it's my daughter's birthday, happy first birthday Baby June Benson, na happy birthday to this little darling, happy birthday Baby. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news.